Alrighty dudes, I want to go over my wheels real quick. I get a lot of questions about the wheels. Alright, these wheels are just something that work as a drag pack for this truck since it is lifted. Alright, not going for any world record. Alright, but I needed a smaller wheel and tire to get this thing moving faster. Alright, got mud tires for it, but these are my track tires. Anyway, I just want to make it quick. I'm going to leave a link in the description, alright, so you can look at them a little closer. All right, the specs to them, but they are 18x9 negative 38. All right, they're true bead lock. They do not, the rings do not come black. All right, heads up, they do not come black. What happened was there's some scratches on them now. I'm pretty sure they could buff out, I don't care. The custom offset scratched them, sent me a little email, which was pretty nice, saying they scratched them. I didn't care, they scratched them, right? Said they scratched them, and they asked me what they wanted to do, and I was like, well, you know what, if it's easier, I don't care what you do, really. You know, I don't want to mess up, you know, but I'm not looking, it's probably an accident. So I was like, hey, if you powder coat them and send them to me, I'll be good with that. They were like, done. All right, so I got a powder coated black. Doggone aircraft. Where you guys going, huh? Disneyland? Going to Disneyland? All right, anyway. All right, 18x9 negative 38 fits for my setup. All right, the other deal, yes, they're true bead lock, so these rings and, you know, these bolts it makes it pretty heavy. All right, dudes are out there ripping it today. Yeah, Sunday quad time. Anyway, these are slabs. All right, to get to what we were talking about, slabs. Didn't care about the scratches. All right, just didn't want it to be too bad. What is this? You want to smear on me, boy? I'll get you. I'll get you. Oh, yeah, there you go. You're trying to embarrass me, all right? I'm trying to say I didn't care about the scratches and stuff, you know, but I didn't say nothing about smears. All right. Scratches, didn't care about them anyway. But anyway, yeah, works for my setup. All right, tires are like 30.5 inches tall. Oh yeah, I want to get to this real important part. These are not hub centric. All right, these are lug centric. All right, so guaranteed I'm the only one, or I am right there when someone's putting these on and off, and it's usually just a buddy helping me out. I do not take these to the shop. If someone doesn't put lug centric wheels on them properly, you're gonna have some serious problems, all right? That's why they switch to hub-centric, all right? DOS for dummies, you get it? Makes it a lot easier, all right? It's like they said in the military, you know, it's for dummies, you know what I mean? Dude, they set everything up for dummies. It's not a literal, you're dumb, it's just to help, all right? Makes things easier, so everybody doesn't have to be an expert. You get what I'm trying to get at. All right, if you didn't see my video about quick detail, go see my video about quick detail. Hot damn hell yeah. Anyway, that's it. Link will be in the description, and you can check out the specs. All right, just remember 18x9, all right, negative 38. They are not hub-centric. They are lug-centric, all right? Hot damn hell yeah, y'all the best. I appreciate all y'all. Hot damn hell yeah. Anyway, if anyone wants to know the exact tire, 265, 60, 18. All right, 110 volts. All right, hot damn. Hell yeah. Some of y'all are like, did he just say volts? Yes, I did, baby. I did.